Hi, and welcome to another episode of Know Your Hair by Haddai. In this episode, we are going to talk about what you mean by hair bundles. Now, hair bundles can come in various textures and forms. As you can see, this is a blonde 613 hair. It's like a platinum blonde, and it's a body wave hair. Then also you can get the normal black natural straight hair. You get various textures as well, like you can get kinky curl, jerry curl, straight hair, wavy hair, various options to choose from. And also this is like a color number 4, so it's like a light brown. Again, this is a natural straight hair. Remember that we use virgin hair, so all hair has not been processed, so it's in its natural straight hair. It's not rebonded or anything like that, and you can get it in various lengths from say 14 inches to 40. The uses of hair bundles such as these, you can use it for you can use it for wigs, you can use it for sew-ins, you can use it for clip-ons. There are many uses to hair bundles. So we can at Haddai, if somebody wants to have sew-in hair, we will then see the texture of the hair and match it to that color. Also, it's again human hair, so you can color it, you can tongue it, you can do anything you want with it, and we have a range of colors that you can choose from. Some of them are like the natural colors, like the blacks and the browns, as you can see here, and also the fashion colors like the pinks, the blues, the greens, and the fashion colors as well. So depending on what you want, your hair can be colored to any color, or you can order your hair straight off in a color. Example, if you want to have mixing gray in with your hair, we can do gray sew-ins into your hair, or otherwise if your hair you want your length and volume, you can go in for sew-ins. So hair bundles have multiple uses in that they can be used for various situations where we need to add in hair. So just to give you a brief idea about what hair bundles are, so you won't be confused. And bundles also come in, say example, 50 to 100 grams or 150 grams, depending on the volume and length that you want. They are very versatile in that they can be used in many situations in which we use hair. We need to use hair for our clients. So hope this clarifies and gives you some idea. Again, hair bundles are also 100% human hair. Then they come in it's always better to match it to your own hair. Also they come in various hair textures, styles and colors, like I said, and lengths. So example, you could go from jerry curl to water wave to deep wave to body wave to straight hair, and the list goes on. So ideally you should match it to your own hair and your color. You can highlight it if you like, and the length, like I said, is from 14 to 40. So in many instances where you may want it just to use for a function, we can use hair bundles to make give you volume and length and so forth. So it's a very versatile option when it comes to human hair. I thought I'll just give you an idea about what it is and how it works out. Hope it was helpful. Until we meet again with another episode of Know Your Hair by Haddai, stay blessed. Bye.